Gentlemen, imagine this, a steaming bowl of golden broth filled with rich aroma, tender chicken, and the unmistakable warmth of Korean ginseng. This isn't just food. This is a legacy of vitality passed down through centuries. Samgyetang, the traditional Korean ginseng chicken soup, was never designed to simply fill the stomach. It was crafted as a tonic of resilience, a meal to reignite strength, restore stamina, and recharge the body from deep within. In ancient Korea, warriors, laborers, and elders consumed samgyetang to fight fatigue, recover from exhaustion, and renew masculine energy. They believed that true power doesn't come from muscle alone, but from balanced inner energy, and that's exactly what samgyetang provides. It's not a quick fix. It's a ritual of revival. Every ingredient, ginseng, garlic, jujube, sticky rice, and chicken, works like a symphony for your body. Together, they improve blood circulation, support hormonal balance, and strengthen the heart, the true engine of endurance. So when you feel drained, not just physically but mentally, remember this ancient bowl. Because sometimes, the answer to modern fatigue is found in timeless wisdom. Now, let's dive deeper into why samgyetang works so powerfully, not as a myth, but as a science-backed rejuvenator. Inside that bowl lies the hero of the story, Korean ginseng. Ginseng is known to enhance nitric oxide production, expanding your blood vessels, improving oxygen delivery, and helping blood flow where it matters most. It boosts testosterone naturally, sharpens mental focus, and reduces stress hormones like cortisol, the silent destroyer of male vitality. Then comes garlic, another natural booster for circulation and heart function. Garlic keeps your arteries flexible, lowers bad cholesterol, and ensures your blood pressure stays balanced, all critical for stamina and masculine health. And let's not forget jujube, rich in antioxidants and minerals that calm your nervous system, support deeper sleep, and accelerate recovery after long days of stress. Together, these ingredients don't just feed you, they retrain your body to perform, to endure, and to recover like it was meant to. No chemicals, no gimmicks, just nature, working in perfect harmony. Gentlemen, that's the real meaning of strength, when your body and mind operate in balance, powered by nourishment that's been trusted for generations. Samgyetang isn't just about eating, it's about intention. When you prepare or consume it, do it as a ritual of restoration, not a meal in a rush. The Koreans have a saying, "You sweat out summer's weakness with hot energy." That's why samgyetang is traditionally eaten in the hottest days of the year to strengthen the body from within, even when the heat drains your stamina. Imagine starting your day with clarity, feeling light yet strong. After a bowl of samgyetang, your circulation improves, your energy feels grounded, and your body stays warm, not from caffeine, but from deep internal power. Eat it slowly. Breathe deeply. Let the aroma remind you that vitality is a choice, not a mystery. You're not just feeding your body brew. You're fueling your masculinity, restoring your confidence, and honoring your health. When you turn your meal into a ritual, your body remembers. Discipline becomes strength. Nourishment becomes power. Let's face it, modern life drains us. Too much stress, too little rest, endless screens, and poor nutrition leave men feeling tired, weak, and disconnected. But the answer isn't in another pill, powder, or energy drink. It's in real, functional nutrition like samgyetang. This ancient Korean soup teaches us a truth we've forgotten, that healing and power come from nature, not shortcuts. That a strong man is not the one who works the hardest, but the one who recovers the deepest. So, gentlemen, take this as your challenge. Reclaim your stamina, your vitality, your masculine confidence, one bowl at a time. Because samgyetang isn't just food. It's a declaration that you're not slowing down, you're recharging naturally. And every time you take that first sip, remember, power isn't something you buy. It's something you build from the inside out.